Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Android photos not showing locations. If you are having issue on Android photos say that not showing locations, let's see how can you fix it. For this you just have to manage your location access to your photos. So you just have to open settings. In settings just look for privacy. Here's the privacy, just tap on it and then select permission manager. And here you just have to look for location. Here's the location, just tap on it, and here you have to go to not allowed section and look for camera and photos. You just have to select camera and then allow access to your location, and here after that you have to look for photos, tap on it, then tap on allow only while using the app or allow all, and after that you you have now fixed the issue of Android photos not showing location. But if your issue is not solved, you just have to put your phone into airplane mode, and after that just disable it, and then you have to make sure that your location setting has been turned on. But if you are still having the same issue, you have to press a long press on your power up button and then tap on restart to make a restart of your phone. So after that your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can easily fix Android photos not showing location. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.